Our first trip was to the Bombay. Lonavala was one of the place and the way. So what happened? The train suddenly stopped there. And most of them were getting down. There was no platform. It was just, I think, maybe some repair or something. I don't know. Most of them were getting down to take the beautiful scenes, pictures. And I'm always the fan of taking pictures. I never exclude anything. I go and take. And I was thinking, should I get down or no? I don't know whether if I get down, what will happen. So I was thinking that my all seniors went in. So then I thought, okay, just one picture. I will go take one picture and I'll come up. So as soon as I get down, you may not imagine, as soon as I got down, the train started. Everyone get in, but I don't know how to get in so faster. I'm not used to that. And I fell down. This is what happened. And the train is going. You may not imagine. And there was one more girl with me. I was like, what to do now? My parents, first thing that they came in my mind is my parents. First time they have sent me and I am here like this. What should I do? Train is going and it is Lonavala. It is evening time. I was running and I tried to run back the train, but I got hurt. Lots of stones were there. And luckily, my professor even didn't try to do anything. Luckily, there was a person who was in the general compartment. He pulled the chain. And because of him, the train stopped. And we took out the last cabin of the train. And we entered inside. And next thing was police who pulled the train. And they came and they caught that man because of pulling the train. And they took out his license of going thing. And they were fining him as well. Then I revealed to the police that this is the first time I'm coming to the train. And in my life, I never had. This is my mistake. Please forgive him. And he saved my life. I told the police, I requested the police for not to punish him for all that. Because he's a savior for me that day. So the police accepted that and it was left, like this. Even in the second place also, I did the same thing. I was having luggage in my hand. I could not enter. Train went off. But it was a local train. I never saw local train again. In Mumbai, I saw first time. My professor from there, he gave a message and that, please don't go, Shama, stay there only, we are coming. So they all came back to me and next time, because of this one benefit, no, Shama will not hold any luggage. She will be the first person to go inside. These were the rules made.